The ocean plastic crisis. Can we turn ocean trash into electricity? Imagine an area of floating plastic nearly 3 times the size of France. Now imagine that this isn't the only one. There are 5 massive garbage patches drifting across Earth's oceans, silently growing larger every year. Millions of tons of plastic bottles, abandoned fishing nets, food packaging, ropes, and countless other items are carried by ocean currents into giant rotating gyres where they accumulate. Every year, millions of marine animals become trapped in or consume this plastic, while more waste continues flowing into the sea every single day. What if we could collect this waste, recycle what is reusable, and convert the remaining material into electricity using modern waste-to-energy plants? In today's documentary, we'll explore where these garbage patches are located, how they formed, the devastating impact they have on marine life, and one possible strategy to help reduce this growing crisis. Chapter 1. How did the oceans become plastic dumps? Plastic has become one of humanity's most useful inventions. It is lightweight, durable, and inexpensive. Unfortunately, these same qualities make it one of the world's biggest environmental problems. Scientists estimate that around 11 million metric tons of plastic enter the oceans every year. Rivers carry discarded waste downstream, while storms, overflowing landfills, illegal dumping, and coastal pollution all contribute to the growing problem. Once plastic reaches the sea, it is transported by powerful ocean currents. Floating debris becomes trapped inside these rotating currents for years or even decades. Unlike what many people imagine, these garbage patches are not solid floating islands. They are enormous regions where millions or even billions of pieces of plastic are spread throughout the water. As sunlight and waves break larger items into tiny fragments known as microplastics, the pollution becomes even harder to remove. Chapter 2. The 5 major ocean garbage patches. Scientists have identified 5 major ocean garbage patches around the world. The largest is the North Pacific Garbage Patch, located between California and Hawaii. Its approximate center lies near 35 degrees north latitude and 145 degrees west longitude. Covering roughly 1.6 million square kilometers, this patch contains an estimated 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic weighing approximately 80,000 metric tons. The South Pacific Garbage Patch is centered near 30 degrees south and 120 degrees west. It is estimated to cover around 2.6 million square kilometers, although its exact boundaries change constantly. In the Atlantic Ocean, the North Atlantic Garbage Patch lies near 31 degrees north and 60 degrees west, while the South Atlantic Garbage Patch is centered near 30 degrees south and 15 degrees west. Finally, the Indian Ocean Garbage Patch is located near 20 degrees south and 80 degrees east. These coordinates represent the approximate centers of the accumulation zones. They are not fixed islands, and their positions shift over time due to changing winds, storms, and ocean currents. If you open Google Earth and enter these coordinates, you'll be viewing the general regions where scientists conduct research and cleanup operations. Chapter 3. A silent killer beneath the waves. Plastic pollution is not just an environmental issue. It is a global wildlife crisis. Every year, more than 1 million seabirds die after becoming entangled in plastic or mistaking it for food. Scientists estimate that over 100,000 marine mammals, including dolphins, whales, and seals, also die annually because of plastic pollution. Sea turtles frequently mistake floating plastic bags for jellyfish. After swallowing them, many are unable to feed properly and eventually die. Abandoned fishing nets, often called ghost nets, continue trapping fish, sharks, dolphins, and seabirds long after they have been discarded. More than 700 marine species have been documented interacting with plastic pollution. Chapter 4. Can we clean the oceans? Several organizations have already begun tackling this enormous challenge. Specialized cleanup vessels equipped with long floating barriers can gather floating plastic from the ocean surface. One possible future approach could involve fleets of large collection ships towing floating booms across the garbage patches. These systems would slowly guide floating debris toward conveyor belts that lift the waste aboard the vessels. Once filled, the ships would transport the collected material to coastal processing facilities. At these facilities, the waste would be carefully sorted. Clean recyclable plastics, metals, and other reusable materials would be separated for recycling. The remaining non-recyclable material, after proper treatment and drying, could potentially be processed in modern waste-to-energy plants equipped with advanced pollution control systems. Instead of allowing this waste to remain in the ocean for centuries, it could help generate electricity while reducing landfill use. Although this approach would require significant investment, international cooperation, and careful environmental safeguards, it demonstrates that innovative engineering could become part of the solution. Chapter 5. A global network of waste-to-energy plants. Imagine coastal nations around the world building advanced waste processing facilities near major ports. Ships returning from ocean cleanup missions could unload collected debris for sorting and recycling. Modern waste-to-energy plants could convert suitable non-recyclable waste into electricity while recovering metals from the remaining ash. However, they could become one important tool in a broader global strategy that also includes better waste management, improved recycling systems, stronger environmental regulations, and preventing plastic from reaching rivers and oceans in the first place. The cleaner our coastlines become, the less plastic will eventually accumulate in the open ocean. Conclusion: our oceans need us. The 5 great ocean garbage patches are among the clearest signs of humanity's impact on the planet. Millions of marine animals are affected every year, while trillions of pieces of plastic continue circulating through the world's oceans. Cleaning them will not be easy. It will require international cooperation, scientific innovation, smarter waste management, stronger recycling programs, and public awareness, unlike anything we've attempted before. Every plastic bottle recycled, every piece of litter kept out of rivers, and every technological breakthrough brings us one step closer to healthier oceans. If you enjoyed this documentary and want more videos about future technologies, environmental solutions, engineering marvels, and global innovations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The video world.